Actually, yes, nagligad nga Biyernes, nagtambong gid no less than the director, regional director of DPWH Region 6, si Director Nery Bueno. Again, ara man si Assistant Director Alfruto. In-invite man nato ang taga IBC, to si Engineer Bong, kag si Engineer Dadivas, kag ara man ang isa ka member sang sang RDC, no, representing the Infrastructure Committee, Engineer, the renowned structural engineer Engineer Nilo Hardelesa. Kag dito masunson sa pamangkot na naibaluan nga indeed ang kontrata sa third party consultant matapos sa June 30 nga ini. Kag sa ina nga final report may baluan kung ano ang nangin causes, ang nangin rason, ano ang nangin mga shortcomings, no, o ano ang mga ilang nakita nga deficiencies, kag ang ilang ginatan-aw nga rekomendasyon. There were 3 possible recommendations as elucidated by Director Bueno and Engineer Hardelesa. Most likely around mga 200 to 250 million na kinanglanon. So, ang point o ang stance ng committee is sigihon ang pag-repair sa project, pangitaan sang pondo, pero dapat may manabatgid, no?
Yes.
Accountability should always be present, no? Of course, at all times, because these are public funds. And you're also informed by Director Bueno that Phase 2 and Phase 3 of the payment of the Ungka flyover was not yet disbursed. So according to her, she did not release or authorize the release of the funding because nag-due diligence man siya, no? And may ara siyang ma-information nga nabaton, so kuan niya nga hindi lang anay niya pag i-releasean bangod kay siling niya base sa pila ka adlaw siya man ang manabat, no? Kay nagsalo lang siya, no, according to her. So ang mga rekomendasyon sang committee is of course one, requesting the Secretary of Department of Public Works and Highways and of course the Secretary of Budget and Management to intercede or to find ways that they can find or look for funds, no, for the repair, no, for the immediate repair of the said structure na Ungka flyover. Number 2, traffic were also discussed, no, in the area. So we'll be requesting City Director of the Iloilo City Director's Office and Iloilo Provincial Office to augment men and women in uniform, police, no, to support our traffic enforcers in the city and in the municipality of Pavia to immediately respond in cases wherein there will be magbungguan ay nagid bala mga sakyan salakyan, no, because kung may bump na gid na siya magbungguan ay ma-delay gid na iya kay di kinahanglan siyang police presence to get the details, to get the pictures, the sketch plan and you know, so amo na intricacies dira, so kinahanglan may police dayon maka-respond para and then we also be respectfully requesting our provincial jeepney operators and drivers to avoid loading and unloading their passengers or waiting dira sa may Christ the King. Dito kita sa sulod sa aton nga terminal para magtayo yun ang project dira. One also of the recommendation is to request IBC to put up an automatic floater type initiated pump, electric pump nga kung magtaas ang tubig sa area, may floater siya, ma-initiate ang pag-start dahil sa bumbas ang tubig, yung submersible pump para hindi na magdanaw pagida ang tubig, no? Although according to ARD Alfruto, mga 30 meters na lang kinalano para sa ilang finish na iyang cross drainage. And also, along the line of the questioning, the Aganan flyover was also brought out.
Yes.
And the committee is respectfully requesting the Senate to look into this also. Because according to Director Bueno, she also withheld or to initially stop or wala siya nag-release ng funding. Because according to her, and informations gathered nga daw may problema man ang ina nga flyover. So these are the important muna importante nga mga informasyon kag mga rekomendasyon nga mangin kabahin sang aton nga committee report nga hopefully within this week matapos ko na kag mapasulod ko sa agenda for deliberations in the next session.
Sa bahin sa inyo sa Committee on Infrastructure sa Sangguniang Panalawigan, nangindako ba lang nga bintaha ang presensya ni Director Bueno kay sa iban nga mga imbitasyon sa iya do permiso masako kay hindi siya makakadto pero diri sa Sangguniang Panalawigan do gintagaan niya gid sang tiempo.
Yes, because I relayed that message to the good director that our committee unusual. No, it's going to be not adversarial, but more on asking their for them to come and then give us shed the light. No, because in fact during my first minutes of my opening statement that I have requested our fellow board members, if possible, to avoid words that could inflict or hurt our resource persons because basically gapakita kita sang kamatuoran kag informasyon halin sa ila. So if you will be with questions like this, they might eventually not provide the information that we intend to get from them.
Okay. So, sa sining inyo nga gipatigal committee hearing, at least ang mga solusyon na plastar na dito.
Yes, we're thankful of that. Even Director Bueno said that bisan hindi pa kuno maglabot sa June 30 but the soonest time possible kung may ara na siyang report padalaan niya gid kami sa gilayon sang report ina diri ang opisina. And of course and I will provide all the members of the Sangguniang Panalawigan and the good Vice Governor.
Kag siguro at least nabalaan na sa tao kung the time, example sa kay Director Bueno kung paano niya gilantaw yung mga problema ko kung paano niya ginatagaan sang solusyon.
Yes, we're very thankful to Director Bueno and of course to Alfruto. And one thing nitong storya sa pag-ubra sang institute sang corrective measures sang contractor on their own, no? According to them nga nag-jet grouting sila. Nagka-problema pagid ang mga source ng water sa mga pamalay dira sa palibot, no? So according to Board Member Soliano, no, yung mga foul odors nga naguluwa and then ang mga source ng tubig sa mga pumluyo. So and we were also informed by Engineer Nilo Hardelesa that we just do not know if the contractor had secured a permit from the DENR, if they will do such thing kay may ara gali na permit ina nga mga maghimo kasi na, no, because you are instituting nagabutang ka sa concrete, no, sa dalom and because of pressure you intend to solidify and re-strengthen your pier pero why kakabalo base na block mo da ang mga natural aquifers sa tubig, no, so isa ina sa mga dapat nasabat man sang kontraktor.
Okay. So, sa subong ang obrahon is mahulat na gikita sang
So, we will be waiting and again, I would like to in behalf of the committee, for her valuable presence and the valuable information that she has provided us. And also to ARD Pruto and also all other, to Engineer Hardelesa most also particularly. Kanami sa mga insights ni Engineer Hardelesa, no, ni Manong Nilo. Thank you kid. Kag of course kay Mr. I think sa office ni Jack Kunlu. Thank you kid kag kay Mr. Dumagi sang pabiyang law enforcement sa traffic enforcement office. Thank you kid.